Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make taco cups. The ingredients that we're going to need today are sour cream. I also have a creamy spicy ranchero sauce from Taco Bell, shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, taco shredded cheese. I also have my taco seasoning. I'm using a low sodium one, flour tortillas, and a pound of ground beef. Okay guys, we're going to bring our frying pan to temperature over medium heat. Then we're going to add in our ground beef. What I'm going to do is break it up, and we're going to cook it until it all turns brown. Okay, once your ground beef is done, we're going to remove it from the pan and we're going to drain it of all excess grease. Okay, once you've drained all your excess grease, we're going to go ahead and return it back to our pan. And we're going to add our taco seasoning in. And for this taco seasoning, it requires 3/4 cup of water. I'm going to add that in also. We're going to mix it until everything is well combined, and we're going to let it simmer for about 2 minutes. You want to lower your heat down to low. Okay guys, once it's done simmering, I'm going to turn off your heat. We're going to place it in a bowl and we're going to just set it to the side. Okay guys, now you want to set your oven to 375 degrees. I have a larger muffin tin here, but you can use any size. So all I'm going to do now is spray the insides with non-stick cooking spray. Okay, now we're going to take one of our flour tortillas and we'll sit it over top, and we're just gently going to push it down. We're going to do each muffin tin like that. Okay guys, once you're done, we're going to go ahead and spoon some of our taco meat inside of them. Okay, now we're going to go ahead in with our shredded cheese. You can add as much as you like if you like them cheesy. Okay, now they're ready to go into our oven at 375 degrees for 10 minutes. Okay guys, they're now out the oven, and as you can see around the edges, they have browned, so that's what you're looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and remove them from the muffin tin. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with our sour cream and just put a little inside. Going to put any on these. So next, I'm going to take some shredded lettuce, go right on top. Okay guys, then I'm going to go ahead and with some tomato, just going to add that on top. Okay guys, look how pretty that looks. So now I'm going to take some ranchero sauce and just put it over top. leave the other ones plain just like that. Okay guys, so here we have it, our taco cups. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.